You did exam?
Jazakumullah khairan for the volunteers, as well as the librarian and coordinators, the visitors, the Dahlia, as well as the students. Certificate of Completion Qatar Center for Introducing Islam certifies that Annabel Isunga completed a course of Fundamental of Islam Level 1. Annabel Isunga. Amerfield M. Nazareno. Annabel F. Elbano. Jazakallah khairan, Sister Amina and Sister Abida. Asha Takuri. Bernadette E. Rose. Charlotte Mosico. Celeste N. Baltimore. Cristina N. Luminarias. Cristina. Dorothy N. Concepcion. Dayan Bakea. Dayan Bakea. Daisy D. Galupo. Daisy. Dana Elkin Huga Balikada. Evelyn D. Codeta. Aaron Nalon Juji. Nalon Juji. Fatiha Aman. Fatiha Aman. P. Marisa Balmones Mendoza. Gloria Tadeo. Grace G. Moreno. Moreno. Geraldine Ramos. Ginalyn Galvez. Ganga Kirai. Ganga Kirai. Hershey Baltimore. Immaculada Velasquez. Immaculada Velasquez. Jane Rose B. Gulia. Jennifer Loceno. Janet S. Mulat. Janet Ibarra. Jeremy N. Omale. Jantan B.X. Mohammed. Janat B. Kathleen L. De La Cruz. Karen G. Liaven. Lily Jean C. Nogues. Leonisa Eres. Leia Beth A. Narazabal. Lygin Tiapis. Lygin Tiapis.
Mbadde mmanyi naawe ogenda wali.
Lalilin B. Oliva.
Ate lwaki kati?
Lakshmi Dati Hari C. Mamindi Siti. Lakshmi. Manilin Farelon. Manenti Serdon. Manilin Farelon. Followed by Manenti Serdon. Marley Albarasin. Marie Christy Andan. Melody S. Castillo.
No. This is one grade, first grade. And second grade.
Maria Teres B. Pipito. Maria Teres.
But then start in second grade.
Mary Ann Ganon.
Second grade.
Marimar K. P. Gando.
Grade.
Marimar.
I don't know.
Manisha Chetri. Manisha Chetri. Ebrondona Sola. Maripi Sabon Solin. Nelfa M. Lopez. Nordilin Imlan. Uja K.L. Rumba.
وش هادي؟ انت قاعد تشوف.
Stay. Stay first, wait the command. Read here is on time. Rahman Isha N. Lisa Gomez. Rhea P. Tenosa. Rhoda Andrew. Reka Galana. Romilin P. Valentino.
Huh? On the stage.
Rosnel Sebastian.
Just like that.
Rosalyn M. Lugas. Roxanne D. Tapay. Shaina Mary Godon. Cheryl Laksamana Esperos. Sarita R. Magar. Saro Tapa. Tricia Alain Dakutanan. Tidi Dabelio. Venus Annaba. Francis Joy Ecobanyan. Lakshmi Dati Hari Mamindisite. Berlin E. Iglesias. Viola Nalistieso. Zairami Aguilar. JCB. Congratulations, level 1. Jazakumullah khairan, barakallahu fikum. After the level 1 students, let the level 2, level 3 to come up the stage. Still level 1. Level 1 students, please stay. Come here, level 2. Level 1, come here. Level 3. Level Habib 3. Level 3. Faster, my dear. Level 2. Yes. After the pictorial of all students, they ready. Teachers, Dania, staff, coordinators will be the one who will distribute for the Dania. Coordinator surprise. Okay. Again, Jazakumullah khairan for our visitors, our sponsors, guests, coordinators, on behalf of the Catholic Center Manager, Sister Dia and Kuwaisi, coordinators, Dania, and staff, Jazakumullah khairan, Barakallahu fikum. And also to the one and only volunteer for today's unit volunteer, Aisha and Majid. Aisha and Majid. Jazakumullah khairan, Sister Advanced Student, and the library coordinator, Sister Rahma, for the video, Sister Amina, Sister Abida, Sister Salwa, Sister Nadia, Galina, Sister Laila, Sister Rahima, Sister Nasri, Sister Fatiha, Sister Jarina, Sister Rahma, and of course, Mama Fatiha, our Mama, and Sister Fatima, Cynthia, Sister Awatir, all everybody. Jazakumullah khairan for all sponsor visitors. Our one visitors, Madam, in our classmate in EIECC. Madam Patria, Ahlan wa sahlan, my classmate, and all our young visitors, mashallah, tabarakallah, may Allah accept our good deeds, and inshallah, reward us, Jannatul Firdaus, Amin, Allahumma Amin, and all students with their knowledge, critical knowledge, will be active upon it, and study more, and come again for level 3. And we would like also to incoming visitor, Sheikh Aisha, Sheikh Nura, Sheikh Musa, Al-Tani, we have one student, level 1, please connect.
Ala ko din ako matatawag eh.
Certificate will be given inshallah
Malapit sa
as soon
last.
as possible. Dalian, please come forward and start.